Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. It is day 14 of Vlogmas, and I'm so excited to be here. So this is my countdown of my favorite makes advent calendar for Vlogmas, and I'm sharing with you my favorite makes that I've made over the past year and a half since I started sewing again. So today's favorite make is my Reece knit tunic from Style Arc. If you've been following me, then you know knits are not my favorite. So I'll be honest with you, I did not enjoy sewing this top, but I do love it and I wear it all the time. And I believe it's because it's a combination of the fabric and the way that the fabric runs together. I love the way that the lines, like, oh, I got a stain on it that I can't get out. I'm so annoyed. Anyway, I love the way that the lines on it like kind of play off of each other. It does have pockets. The pockets came out a little janky. I don't care. I love it. I wear it all the time. And I will link over here a review that I did for this pattern. I am surprised that I have not seen more of these on Instagram. When I did a search for this top, there are not that many out there. And it's a great way to color block. You can mix, obviously you can use the same print in different directions. I did miss an opportunity to do that on the back. I just kind of cut them straight, which I regret that. It's fine. And it wasn't, if I made this again in this fabric, I wouldn't put the pockets in only because they came out funky. If I made it in a more stable knit, I would still put the pockets in. But it's just a great top. If you like sewing with knits, then I think you would love this. I think why I like it so much versus other knits is that I think it's flattering on me, and I don't feel that way about most knit tops. I usually have to get them like really oversized so that they don't cling to me, and this one just kind of skims my lumps and bumps, and then it kind of flares out at the bottom. So I find that to be flattering. I've styled it for you two different ways. The first way is a little bit dressed up is relative, right? It's dressed up compared to how I usually wear it. So I'm so happy that I've rediscovered this little denim dress it's a ready-to-wear dress. I got it from Old Navy many, many years ago. I've barely ever worn it. And now I'm using it for the second time in a styling of my favorites video. I just think it's really versatile and I'm happy to have it in my wardrobe. So I just thought that this would look great with denim, and I had that denim dress, so I just wore the dress over this, unbuttoned all the way, and I wore it with some really fun zebra wedge sandals that I bought from DSW many, many moons ago. You'll notice a theme. If you see me in heels, 99% of the time they're going to be wedges. They're just more comfortable. And then the second way that I styled it is the way that I wear it all the time, just with some black leggings. And if I'm going out and wearing shoes, then they're usually sneakers. But I thought these looked really cute with the top. The colors like really worked well together. How fun are these? These are some Puma sneakers. I honestly don't remember where I bought them, but they're super squishy. They have like a memory foam sole. They are not great for working out in. Several years ago, I was doing CrossFit. I did it for about a year. I was in a much healthier place back then. And these would slip off my heels. So they're not great for working out, but they're great for tootling around. Super cute. Anyway, so that's how I styled it. And then I wore these, let's call them diamonds, shall we? Some diamond hoop earrings that are just, I consider them basics. I wear them often. And no necklace, not today. So yeah, I wore this in a Friday Sews a couple of weeks ago, and I did get some questions about it. And I didn't talk about it in that video because I knew I already had it listed as one of my top favorites. So even though, I think this is a lesson, at least for me, even though it's not perfect, and I can go through and find probably 20 things wrong with what I did in making it. I still wear it all the time. It's really comfortable. Like I said, I find it to be flattering. I love the color combination. I think I got this fabric from girl Charlee, I think. But I love the color combo. And yeah, so that's my favorite make for today. Have you made the style arc Reece knit tunic? Or have I inspired you to make it? Let me know in the comments. Wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in. I'm really grateful for you tuning in today and sharing your morning with me. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.